Because I was told you are very good at hockey in school, and I see some of the shots that you play, particularly those dab sweeps that you play and your late cuts. You've got great wrists, obviously, because that's the only way you can play some of those shots. You're not a power hitter, but you have this wonderful gift of timing and placement. So, was there ever a
Yeah.
choice, cricket or hockey? And you made the right choice, of course. But did you ever think maybe I should be a hockey player and not a cricketer? Was hockey the pehla
Um,
pyar?
I think cricket. I started playing cricket at the age of 4, and I started playing hockey at the age of 8. But it so happened that I started
Okay.
playing both so well that I played hockey for the state and cricket for the state at the same time. So I genuinely wanted to play both for the country. I love hockey. Even till now, I love hockey, and I think I love cricket and hockey the same. I don't think there's any difference between that. And I remember that, uh, my dad making me sit down. I was 11 years old at that time. My dad one day making me sit down and he's like, Jem, I know this was going to be a hard decision, but we got to choose between cricket and hockey because both were clashing. Like, cricket's throughout the year. And hockey, I was not able to balance it. There were also times I used to
Right.
go practice at Azad Maidan at 6:30 in the morning. From there, directly mom would get my breakfast. I would eat. I would change. Go to MHA, that is the hockey ground near Wankhede Stadium, and play a match.
Yes.
And then from there, go
Yes, I
back home
remember.
or go to school. Yeah. So, but then after a certain point, it was very hard because we were touring for cricket and hockey practices were there, state matches were there. It was hard to balance both. So my dad made me sit down and he was like, you got to choose. And just imagine this 11-year-old sitting down, making the decision of her life. And my dad was so supportive. My mom was so supportive. They're like, we are going to back you with whatever you choose. It's your decision. Because at the end, you're going to play for India. And we just want to support you and be there for you. And I remember crying, one tear popping down my eye, and like, Dada, I love both. I can't choose. And he's like, I know, baby, it's going to be hard, but we got to make a choice. Let's see what happens in the future. You never know. You can play both for the country, and that is still my dream to play cricket and hockey
You
for the country. I don't know how
you
it's going to
made
happen, but if it will happen. And so yeah, that day we made a
I don't know
choice
when
because
that'll
I
happen,
reached.
but
Thank you. Yeah, that day we made a choice
you
because
made the
I reached
right
a high
choice.
level in
You
cricket
made the right.
and hockey. We will go ahead
Sure.
with cricket because cricket I got selected for the zones. That's West Zone. That's 5 states. Milake one zone is called West Zone. And hockey I just played for the
Sure.
state. So we said we'll go ahead with cricket. But at that time, sir, if you think about it, it was nothing to do with money because at that time cricket and hockey didn't have as much funding as it has today. It was purely because of, I reached a high level in cricket and hockey. We'll go ahead and let's see what happens. And yeah, like you said, maybe things just fell in place and it was not that bad a decision.